Hey. Hey, sir? Sir! Sir! Hey, I just wanted to see if you wanted some water.
Hey, you woke me up to give me a bottle of water?
Thought you might be thirsty.
I was sleeping. What are we, in the Serengeti?
I think you're underestimating how important it is to stay well hydrated.
I think you overestimate how dehydrated I am.
Look, you could just say no.
I was sleeping.
So you don't want it?
No, I don't want your water. No homeless person wants your water. Ever.
Actually, I'll take it.
Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be homeless. Let them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mama, just don't let your babies grow up to be homeless. They might enjoy it too much.
Actually, I'll take it.
What's your problem, man?
I've never in my life seen someone sleeping and thought to myself, I wonder if they're thirsty. It's insane. And what's more insane is you acting like it's not insane.
Just trying to be nice.
Oh, come on, man. It's a completely empty gesture.
It's not a completely empty gesture. I mean, he did bring you something.
It's like yesterday when you were in the bathroom and that woman brought us food. I ate the 2 steaks and gave you the spaghetti.
There were steaks?
Yesterday you were happy with the spaghetti. Now that you know about the 2 steaks, it's a completely empty gesture.
You're a psychopath.
Look, if you want to wake me up and put $5 in my hand, more power to you. But water, you gotta be freaking kidding. I don't get it all day long. It's hot out there. Here's the water. You gotta stay hydrated. Here's the water. Like I'm running some perpetual marathon.
Nobody offers you water.
You don't think people are offering me water?
No, I don't.
Today I'm gonna accept all the water that's offered to me, and I'm gonna bring them back, and you can deal with it.
Great. You never have enough water.
You'll see. You'll be swimming in water.
Homeless ain't easy to love, and they're harder.
Hey, hi, hey. Not sure if you remember me from earlier. I gave you that bottle of water.
Of course, how could I forget?
Do you mind?
Man, I can't believe this. Ethereum's down another 4% today.
You invest in crypto?
Of course.
How do you have any money to invest?
It's on my EBT card for 50 cents on the dollar. What's that?
Meziab baklava. You want? Well, here's something a little crazy. You teach me how to be homeless, give you $20.
You want to give me $20 to teach you how to sit in the park?
Oh, there's got to be more to it than that.
You're going to give me $20 to teach you how to sit in the park and drink? All right. What do you want to know?
Do I look homeless?
No, you don't got a speck of dirt under your fingernails.
Right. That's some good stuff. I never would have thought of that on my own.
The other thing, you need to get yourself some stuff.
Stuff? What kind of stuff?
It doesn't matter. You get yourself a pack, just a little stuff.
Any certain type of stuff? There's got to be a certain type of stuff.
Clothes. It's got carburetors. You know what that is?
No.
That's the bottom of a pogo stick. Let's say I'm walking down the street. Some kid's hopping up and down on a pogo stick, and it breaks. I reach into my bag, bam, I'm the hero. Kid's back up and pogoing in no time.
Got it. Can I ask you this? What do you want to be?
If I want to be? I want to be drunk.
All right. I think I got it. Get drunk and dirty fingernails and get stuff.
Yeah, bingo. Need anything else? You know where to find me.
Right.
They're harder to hold. I'd rather give you a beer than diamonds or gold. Lone Star belt buckles and old Goodwill Levi's, and each night begins a new day. If you don't understand him, he don't die young. He'll probably just walk away.
I mean, really?
What?
There's all this empty space, and you're gonna do that right here?
come to the park every day and clip my toenails.
Who comes to the park to clip their toenails?
I do. I find it very therapeutic.
It's gross. Ah! One just hit me.
Have a good day, sir.
Start an OnlyFans page, you weirdo. Hey, you forgot something. It's not even new.
And get this, you know that guy who came by and brought bottled water earlier?
Yeah.
Brought me some Mezia baklava.
Huh. All I got was woken up.
Yeah, he also paid me $20 to teach him how to cook.
Whatever, here.
What's this?
It's a script for an audition I got tomorrow. I'm gonna be an actor.
You can't be an actor, you're homeless.
That's the best part. The character is homeless.
You're never gonna get the part, you're too dirty.
I'm method.
Alright, Daniel Day homeless. What do you want me to do?
I highlighted my lines, you read the other part. Sir, I could really use this job. All day long I sit in the park and people tell me to get a job. And finally, I realized they were right. All I'm asking for is a chance to change my life by getting
A job, you idiot.
I don't know why you can't get this, man. It's not that hard.
Hello, hello, hello.
Timbo, check this out.
What do we got going on?
It's a script, I got an audition.
The Unpursuit of Unhappiness. That's great. When's the audition?
Tomorrow.
You know, this is a pretty good role for you, dude. Who better to play a homeless person than a homeless person?
That's what I said.
Listen, do me a favor. Will you watch old Walls for a second? I gotta go get a tennis ball.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll be right back, bud.
Alright, see you later. Yeah, come on, Wally.
What's his name?
Oh, Wally.
Wally. I have a special connection with dogs.
I bet you do. You want to give him a treat? We were just heading to the park.
Oh yeah, I'm going that way too. I'm Julia.
I'm a Sagittarius. So what do you do?
I'm an actress.
Oh, in LA? What are the odds?
I don't know.
So, where are you from?
Orange County?
Oh, an LA girl, huh?
No. Orange County's not LA.
What's the difference?
It's so status driven here. Like, everyone cares about how many cars you have and the house that you have. I don't. I care about the type of person that you are.
Only 2 cars?
Are you making fun of me for only having 2 cars? Because my dad would have given me a 3rd one if I wanted, but I'm not a materialistic person.
No.
I don't care about how many cars you have or the house you have.
No. I am not making fun of you. You have no idea how refreshing it is to hear you say that. I'm the least materialistic person there is.
Right. You're a Sag.
I'm a Sagittarius. What's your sign?
What did you guess?
Taurus?
Oh my god! That's amazing! How did you know?
You've got Taurus written all over you.
That's so funny. Well, actually, I'm headed this way, but maybe we grab dinner tomorrow night?
How about a picnic in the park?
Oh, that's such a Sag idea. I love it.
I'm a Sagittarius.
Okay. Well, bye, Wally. Bye.
What are you doing over here?
I'll just sit in the park all day.
Yeah, you do.
You're Sagittarius?
How the hell would I know?
How long do you think before she figures out you're homeless?
Based on what I've seen, it may take a while.
You don't feel bad?
Well, what?
Tricking a girl into dating a homeless guy.
What am I supposed to do? Go around with a neon sign hanging around my neck saying I'm homeless?
A cardboard sign would suffice. Where's Wally?
Oh crap, I left him in the park.
He'll be fine.
Please, I really need this job.
Lots of people need jobs. not really a reason to hire somebody.
Look, I used to just sit in the park all day, and all I wanted to do was get drunk, and people would tell me to get a job, and I just realized that they were right. There's more to life than just getting drunk and sitting around. It's about having stuff and living indoors and having a place to put that stuff.
Bravo, what an ad-lib. How did you come up with something like that?
Paid a guy in the park $20 to pick his brain.
You actually talked to a homeless person? I could never,
Yeah.
ever do that.
Yeah.
Look, I gotta be honest with you, I got one guy left, but I think the role is yours.
Yes. All right. Well, I gotta tell you, I brought you a gift.
Oh, I can't accept any gifts.
It's Mezyab baklava.
Oh, I can accept some of the greatest baklava ever.
It's in the way now.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Are you eating my Mezyab baklava?
Right.
Hey, give me Hey, I just heard the other day that no homeless person wants water ever. It's a completely empty gesture.
Come on, man. I'm not having bottle
We don't have all day, Mr. Jones. All right, take a seat, Mr. Jones. Why should I give you this job?
All day long, I sit in the park and people tell me to get a job.
And scene.
There's more there.
All day long, people tell me to get a job. And finally I realized they were right. That all I really needed was a job. And that was the answer to all my problems in life. All I'm asking for is a chance to change my life.
And scene.
So what do you think?
Well, I gotta be honest with you. I feel like the other guy is just a little more authentic, and we're gonna go with him.
Authentic, he's not even homeless.
It's called acting.
Gay roles go to gay people, trans roles go to trans people, but homeless roles, they can go to anybody? That's bullshit.
First off, it's unhoused.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you with the term that I am.
Thanks for coming in, Mr. Jones.
You know what you are? You're a housist. You discriminate against people based on their housing situation. You know what's inauthentic? This script, because you've never been homeless.
I lived in my car for 3 weeks.
That is not homeless.
That is not homeless. You're not homeless if you have windows and air conditioning.
Well, maybe next time someone's clipping their toenails in the park, you won't be so rude. Have a good day, Mr. Jones.
Oh my God, I missed you. Oh, Wally, thank you so much for taking care of him.
Where'd you run off to?
Okay, so yesterday when I went to go get that tennis ball, I passed out. I thought the worst, but turns out it was just dehydration. You gotta stay hydrated out here, bro. Here, have some water.
Watch freaking water.
Rude. How was your audition?
I didn't get the part.
What do you mean you didn't get the part? You're homeless. It was a homeless role. It was perfect.
Wait, you're homeless? I can't date someone who's homeless.
I thought you weren't materialistic.
Yeah, I'm not, but you have to have some materials, dude.
Me and Wally are gonna get going. See you later, dude.
So that's not even your dog? Are you even a Sagittarius?
I would lie about a lot of things, but I would never lie about being a Sagittarius.
No, but you would lie to get a hot chick. I can't be here. I can't believe I almost dated that.
But I'm a Sagittarius.
The guy that you taught to be homeless, he wasn't an undercover cop, he was an actor. He was an actor, freaking Lee Strasberg over here. He looked just like you.
I know. I sold him my clothes.
You sold him your clothes.
Look, sorry, man. The guy offered me $20. I didn't realize how to be homeless was a state secret.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Laundry. At least you have a date in a little bit. That'll get your mind off things.
Ah, she figured out I was homeless.
That was fast.
What a day.
Here. Get it? It's an empty gesture.
It's very clever. You're a comedian.
You're an actor.